slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever
Guys,
slow
thank
up,
you so
no
much
I
for
don't take
tuning
shit.
in.
I got
Take me
no
as I
love
take on
for
the
the
challenge
fakeness.
of
If you wanna play
making
tough and wanna hate
50,000
this, I'll
rand
always show
in South
up
Africa
and make a
as a private
statement. I don't ever
tutor.
slow
I know,
up,
right?
no I don't
It
take
seems like
shit.
it's a
I
lot
got
of
no
money, but
love
in
for
this
the
month,
fakeness. If
I
you
would
wanna
like
play
to
tough
challenge
and wanna
myself to
hate
think
this,
that
I'll
it's
always show
like
up and
I
make a
want to see how
statement.
much I
Everything I
make
do
in a
so
month
instinctive,
as a
passionate.
private
Every
tutor.
word
So
I move
please,
so
guys,
descriptive, like
take
an
along.
adjective. I
In
got
this
a
journey we're
vendetta
going
against
to do
people who
together, and
patented
I'll
being
also be doing
negative
it
when you
with you
should be
guys.
getting
I'll
after
also
it.
be filming every
I got facts
tutor
over
session
facts
that I
over
will have,
tracks. This and
whether
that's
it's
getting slow,
online or
spitting
it's
fast.
face
I
to
could
face,
roast, I
whether
could
it's going
gas,
to
think I'm
clients or
okay
we
at last,
meet
but I don't know if that can
at
erase all
my
the
house.
past and the
We'll still be
pettiness. A
filming it, but I
reflection of
want
the
to
emptiness,
see
hilarious.
how
You
much
can do
can
it
I
by
make
time,
with
you're
this
delirious,
genuine money
mysterious, because of
from
my
being
vibe, I think it's
a
superior,
private tutor
inferior.
in
You know
South
I'll always
Africa.
be a bit
So guys,
superior. Get off of
come
me,
along,
this ain't no
take
humble
along,
brag. I
and thank
want
you
you to hear words,
with
you can
so
say
much
them back. I
experience.
want
I
you to
started
feel free
tutoring when
from
I
the
was in
chains that last,
university,
and
and
to
I
believe
want
in
to
what you
realize
got,
that
it was built to
how much
last.
can I
Yeah.
make as a private tutor, and how long does it take for me to accomplish 50,000 rand as a private tutor? Is it worth it? Is the journey worth it, or I should just let it go? So this is my challenge for this month. I'm going to see how much I make as a private tutor and see how best I can make my time worth it as a private tutor. So I want you guys to take along in the tutoring industry. Ever since I started, one of the things that is very, very difficult as a tutor is to get clients. If you're being the best in the field, yet you don't have any students that is able to tutor, then it's not going to be worth it for you to be a tutor, because at the end of the day, you don't have a client that will deliver the service. So I want to take this challenge and see how best I relate to my clients, how best can I get people that are being and how much am I going to charge them? Because being a tutor, it's all about you delivering the service. But at the end of the day, if you do not have the good competitive rate, you are going to be stuck. If you charge too much, then people are not going to come to you. And if you undercharge yourself, you work so many hours, and at the end of the day, you will not get enough money that you will be able to cover. So being a tutor, I want to set the
No, I don't take shit.
so
I
my
got no
for my
love
clients
for the
and
fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
and that I'm going to hit the 50,000 mark. So guys, come along, tag along, and let us do this together. Let's see how long we take to make 50,000 rands. In this world of tutoring, even if you are the best in the business, but if you do not market yourself properly, you'll still be struggling to get students, because at the end of the day, like this year, I'm tutoring a grade 8 student, and then next year I want to retain that student. It's all about the relationship that I had with the student during this year. So it's really difficult for you to actually return. Hello. It's really difficult for you to actually return students, like or return clients, because in this business, everyone wants to be a tutor to someone. So those are some of the challenges that we face as tutors. How do we return our clients back to us? What is the deal that they come back to us? What is it that makes us stand out? So as a tutor, I'm going to take on the challenge of making sure that making sure that I am one of the best and probably the so let's see. So as a tutor with a few years of experience, this is how I did it. I managed to showcase my certificates. There are companies on Facebook, on Twitter, on TikTok that are hiring. So I just I put myself there, I market myself, and I make sure that I print out a CV that is going to be eye-catching, a CV that is going to make me attractive to my potential employers. such that at the end of the day I'm going to get tutor jobs. So I'll be tutoring for different companies, and at the same time I'll also be tutoring, like having my own personal clients. So this is the challenge that I've put for myself out there, and I'm going to stick to that because I think it's better if I am going to be doing it in both ways, so that you get more money for yourself, so that I can be able to hit the 50,000 mark earlier. So stay tuned, guys. One of the things that you must do as a tutor, as a private tutor, or as a tutor that is just tutoring part-time, you have to be available to answer the questions that your clients have. Sometimes you'll be having parents that will ask you questions, parents that would want to meet with you, parents that would want to ask you questions, and at the end of the day, if you're not available, it's going to be difficult for those parents to be able to relate with you. So one thing that I make sure I do, I am going to be available for parents to have questions for me, parents to be able to ask questions, be able to understand like what is it that I do to help their children. So stick along, guys, and be able to come through in this journey with me, and let's see how much we make in a month. Let's see if we can hit the 50,000 button. Let's see if we can hit the 50,000 in a month. So we want to see how much we make in a month, and guys, if we make it, we are going to celebrate. If we don't, we'll still see how we are making mistakes. So tag along, and thank you so much. Bye.